Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Find X3 Neo. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files or My Files app. I personally recommend using files provided by Google. Continue, allow, and thanks to this app you've got access to your recent files, categories, collections and stored device. Also, you can use nearby share function to quickly send and receive files, clean function to clean junk files from your smartphone, and in the end you can go to trash. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.